Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance, aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So guys, okay, today I'm going to show you guys how I apply my frontal wig, and this is by using the stocking cap method. So basically I am going to go ahead and use penny, I think this is pantyhose, so however you want to call this. I got this from Walmart for like $7, and I'm gonna go ahead and measure it and put it on my head. So I really like doing this method because I feel like it really helps kind of tuck in your baby hair, you know, your natural hair. It doesn't like pull out your hair. And I also love it because it looks more natural when you do it this way. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and measure this on my head. I should have cut it a lot more longer because it was kind of like moving up. So I think you see, I'm trying to put it on my head, and I feel like I cut it way too short. And it was sliding, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and use my Got2b glue, the styling gel, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the first coat. Just make sure to like take your time. Like take your time with this step. When you are drying the stocking cap down, make sure that it is fully dry. Like your hair have to be like so dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer. I think it took me about like 30 minutes to fully get it dry, like maybe 25 minutes to fully get it dry, but it's a whole process, but it's so worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got2b glue spray just for like some extra hold, and I'm going to just dry my hair, use my blow dryer. Next thing is, you see how like the front of my hair is like the front of the stocking cap, the glue hasn't gotten on there, so I just want to cut that off. You don't want the lace front to actually lift up. Like you don't want that stocking cap to lift up, so you have to make sure to add the glue on it too. So I absolutely love this method, guys, like, but I did make a mistake, and I'm going to show you guys my mistake and try not to make this mistake too. Okay, so now that we are done, right, I'm gonna go ahead and use so I made this wig using hair by Grace Beauty hair. Oh, the hair is 22 inches, 20, 18 and 16-inch closure. So how to apply this? So you're gonna go ahead and take one coat of the glue and just apply that right in front of the lace. And here you're not gonna make it dry completely. Make sure that it kind of is tacky when you are gluing down the lace front. You have to make sure that it's a little tacky so it can stick together, if that makes sense. So basically that's what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it's a little sticky. And oh my god, guys, I made a mistake here. Okay, the mistake I made is I did not push the lace right in front of the stocking cap. Like, you have to push it all the way in front. Don't put it on the seam line as the stocking cap because it's going to show. But you guys watch and you're going to see what I mean. Now I'm going to take my mousse. I'm going to put the name of it and link it down below, but I'm going to go ahead and use that to lay down my baby hair. Guys, I was going to a photo shoot, so I was like being extra with the baby hair. Whatever. I was just having fun. So now I'm going for like that wet type, you know, wet look, wet hair look. So I'm using the mousse and just brushing my hair. And after this step, we're basically done. So easy to put the wig on your head, but I did make a mistake and I fixed it at the end. It was, you know, my little mistake is that I applied it way too close. The way I applied it, I'm going to show you the difference, like before and after. But this is the before and this is the after. But yeah, just go ahead and don't do the same mistake as I did. Yeah, that's basically all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, like, share, comment, and I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.